Hey guys, Dan here from Decolo 3D Prints. Today I want to show off an adapter rail from the Klein ModBox to fit onto the Rigid ProGear 2.0. Per usual, let's get to an inspection of what to expect from the item. First up is the 12-inch rail, followed by the 6-inch half-size rail, and the mounting brackets. When ready to install, lift up on the rigid metal locking bars and swing them up and out of the way. Depending on the box, some have an extended top lid and others may be flush with the top of the rail. This is to make sure they're not in the way for the actual installation, and conveniently, to make sure we have something to pull on while pushing the brackets into their slots. Next, go ahead and insert the included screws into the rails, and tighten them in until they're barely poking out the back. This way, it'll be easier to find and mount the holes for when we line it up with the mounts. Go ahead and insert the tips of the screws into the mounts we previously inserted into the ProGear accessory slots. Then tighten the screws into the mounts completely. Give it a wiggle to confirm it's all tight, and you're ready to hang whichever Klein ModBox accessories you'd like onto your Ridgid 2.0 boxes. Even though installation is the same for the smaller rail, let's go ahead to see the size difference for comparison. And that's it! Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope this install video was useful for you, and as always, for anything else, other cool tool ideas, or just generic input, feel free to comment below, like, subscribe, and keep on bringing your ideas to life.